Right. I'm live now. All right. All right. Thank you very much. Hi, good afternoon, everyone. I think there was a little bit of technical glitch from our side, so we were trying to fix it. Um, so I think we can start. So, in a quick introduction, I'd like to first of all welcome you all to participate on the HVG job fair. I'm sure you're all equally excited. You know, the times are quite unprecedented, difficult times around us, but I think we are all managing in the best possible ways, trying to be innovative and creative to keep the ball rolling and businesses performing. Um, right. I don't know how many participants are there, but I see somewhere around 19 attendees today. So it's good number. So I am Rahul Malhotra. I am Senior Director Operations working for Avis Budget Group. Working from home these days, as you can imagine, you know, under the existing lockdown conditions that have been put by the authorities. So we are respecting that. It has been quite a challenging last 1 year, I must say. Uh, and I'll come to that as an organization, what we are doing. But just a little bit background information about myself. I'm born and raised in India, in Delhi. I did my MBA in India. I worked for a couple of multinational companies. At the age of 26, I left India and did a lot of projects globally for an organization called Genpact. And I learned a lot, you know, while I was in my consulting role. I did multiple transitions, process reengineering, business development, related projects across continents, 4 continents. And in my last assignment from Canada, I was working for United Parcel Services. And from there, I moved to Budapest in 2011, where the reason for moving to Hungary was two, basically. One, I wanted to move to Europe, and secondly, Avis Budget Group had a fantastic story at that time because Avis Budget Group US, which is the leading car rental and mobility provider company, they had acquired Avis Europe, which was a family-run business, and the decision was made to grow Budapest center, shared service center for multiple services. And I had the background to support the organization. And when I moved to Budapest, our shared service center was very small, around 100, people. And then during the course of next 2, 3 years, we grew it to almost 1,300. Uh, in Avis Budget Group, we provide uh, multiple services from customer services to financial services to order to cash or quote to cash collections, receivables, billing services for our partner countries, corporate countries in about 12 different languages. And people join us from different backgrounds, primarily graduates uh, from any field, but also from accounting background, etc. Now, as I said, last year was quite difficult. We are a part of travel and tourism industry, and hence, because of the pandemic, we got adversely hit, wherein we were having a fantastic 2020 Q1, and then because of the lockdown and the situation, our revenue started to go down. But as an organization, we made some right decisions based on our downfall on the revenue. We wanted to keep our cost also in consistency. So we did some right sizing, which was difficult, but I think that was the right step to do to manage our cost base versus our revenue. And unfortunately, we had to, as I said, we had to right size and Because of that, our headcount came down from 1,200 to roughly around 650, 700 people. And now, I mean, I think the future is looking more positive. We are seeing bookings coming in the US, in Europe as well, which means that people are tired of sitting at home and not being able to travel. So they want to travel now. They are looking forward to a good summer, and hence they will be flying and they will be renting cars. And renting car is always considered to be a much more safer option than flying these days, which is good news for our industry. Having said that, I think we are looking at our forecast and we would like to hire right skilled people to join Avis Budget Group, which is not just one of the, we are one of the oldest shared service center, but we want to do things in the right manner. And we take a sense of responsibility when it comes to our SSC community as well. So, what we are doing as an organization, as our key objective uh, for this year, we are working on a key project on implementing an ERP system, Oracle ERP, which will be implemented across the globe. So we have just gone live for US, our US market and Pacific market, and now we are working on that for Europe as well. Europe has got its own complexities, but I think we are working. We have a fantastic team, and we are working with our external consultants to deploy Oracle for our financial processes. So that is one of the key initiatives that we are working on. Objective is very simple: to modernize our financial processes, and also, we are investing heavily to digitize our front office and back office operations. The idea is very simple. Idea is to make sure that we provide a safe and secure rental experience for our customers. So as much as less human touch points we can create, we are willing to do that. But yes, as much we change our front office, we go digital, we have to also create a similar environment in our back office operations as well. So the team in Budapest is equally supporting this change in our operations and the rental experience for our customers. We have a fantastic management team, a great working environment, I would say. Unfortunately, right now, in a nice facility that we have in the heart of city center, you normally find 10 or 15 people instead of 1,000 people. Um, but I think our employees, our staff members, they understand the situation and are very collaborative. There has been a learning experience for all of us to work remotely. But yes, nevertheless, we are all eager to go back to office and work, face to face and enjoy the social circle and the great environment, multinational, multicultural environment that we had once. So I would take a pause here, and probably if there are any questions, you might want to chat or let me know, and I'll be happy to answer. So I don't know, Alessandra, if there are any questions. Um,
No, no, I don't see any question.
right. So I think we will be we'll be really happy to have some of you on board when the jobs are posted, and kind of I can assure you that this is one of the best thing about what I like, and I have been working now for Avis Budget Group. for 10 years is because of our culture and the engagement of our employees. And the younger generation, which joins our team and are challenging the status quo, there's always something to learn from. And as I said, we have different service lines. So although you work in one organization, you may join in customer services, but after a few years learning that process, you can move on to receivables or into other financial processes. So there are always great opportunities to move internally as well. And hence, what I've seen, a lot of candidates who join us have grown leaps up the hierarchy, or even if laterally working in different areas and expanding their knowledge and experience. So if there are no questions, probably, I'm very grateful for you, Alessandra, for HVG to give me the opportunity to speak up on behalf of Avis Budget Group. And for the participants, I would definitely.
There is a question. No, just a thanks.
Okay. Yeah, Anish, I thank you as well for listening to me. Although, I'm a person who likes to interact face to face, and this is sometimes a monologue that I'm speaking to a screen. So it's not easy, but I hope there would be opportunity to meet and greet each other if you join Avis. And yes, I wish you the best. So thank you very much for the opportunity today.
Thank you so much for your speech. Bye.
Thank you very much. Bye, everyone.
Bye.